Hello everyone, and welcome to this Power BI solution showcase created by PBL Lab. You can find PBL Lab in the Microsoft Power BI Partner Directory. As a Microsoft Silver Partner in data analytics, PBL Lab works with organizations to increase productivity and profitability using Microsoft's cloud-based business intelligence tools like Power BI. Now, let's figure out why we built this solution. The Sales Analysis Report is a high-level visual breakdown of the company's sales channels business to business versus business to customer, analyzing and highlighting trends in the sales volume, gross margin and profit, broken out by product categories and geographic regions. The main report page has 4 different sections: a line and stack column chart, donut chart and card, a table, and a map. All of these sections contain different Power BI functionalities. The Sales Analysis Report visualizes B2B B2C sales during the 2017 to 2019 fiscal period. The story behind this analytics solution shows how the sample use case, the Venture Work Cycle company, expanded their B2B sales into the international market, starting with North America in 2017, then Europe in 2018, and finally entering the Asia Pacific market in 2019. The data shows us that, although B2C sales has made up just over a quarter of total sales since 2017, the segment is responsible for almost all profit. B2B sales has consistently resulted in the company losing money on bike sales and making small margins on accessories, clothing, and components. From a strategic perspective, it appears that the company is flooding the market with bikes, treating the vendors' review well by shipping these items in small quantities, improving vendor cash flow, and leveraging the B2B segment to improve brand awareness. They are leveraging this to increase online B2C sales and improve profitability. This solution consists of 4 report pages. Only the main report page is visible when the report is open, and user can interact with the other 3 via tooltips. A line and stack column chart on the top left allows the user to see the sales and gross margin over the years. The user can click on a quarter to slice the other report visualization. Notice that the sales time frame in the top right of the page also shows accordingly. You can drill up one level to switch to the yearly view, and then drill down again to the quarterly view. In this Power BI solution, there are 3 report page tooltips. Hover the mouse on top of a product category tab or row in the bottom left, and the report tooltip page shows the total sales, total gross margin, and total profit margin by product subcategory. There are other 2 report page tooltips. If you point your mouse at the sales by customer type donut chart on the top right, you can analyze the sales by quarter, and in the gross margin by customer type donut chart, you can see the trend of the gross margin by quarter. The user can play with the filter pane on the top right of the report page. When the main report page is initially open, the filter pane is compacted into a small button on the top right. Open the filter pane by clicking the small button and a couple of slicers will appear. 2 slicers are available: year and quarter. The standard filter selection is for all the years from 2017 to 2019 and for all the quarters from Q1 to Q4. This compacted filter pane is developed with a combination of bookmarks functionalities. If you want to learn more about PBL Lab, remember to click our logo on the top left and visit our website. This is the end of our Power BI solution showcase, and if you like what you've seen, you can contact us at info@pblab.com. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on social media.